Hello, Sudoku friends, boys and girls. Yes, we are back again for the second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on a Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, September the 11th, 2021. Yeah, special day, 9/11. Yes, 2021, 20 years ago. Yeah, it's been 20 years ago, 9/11. Anyway, binary puzzle number two in this additional number 3380. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an one. Between two O's comes an one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have four O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have four ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Now we have four ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Between two ones comes an O. Then, well. Let me see. Can we compare? No. 101, no. Complicated. Double one, here no, there no. Four O's we have, so the rest are ones. Then. Double one here. This column and the last column. Empty box. Oh, 1, 1. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then double O, here one, there one. Yeah. Do we need to compare again? Do not know. Well. 010. We have 010 here. 010. 101. These. Yeah. This column and this column again. 1. Oh, wait. I cannot compare because we have three boxes left. 3 boxes open. I need 2 boxes open, then I can compare. 010, we have 010 here. 010 here. No. Do we have double O? Double O here. Yes, this column and the first column. 1, 1, empty box. 0011 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Need to compare again. I cannot believe this. But I found this column and that column. 1 1 empty box 0011 0011 empty box 00. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 1 2 3 4 1, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 6 minutes. Right. Oh, right. I like this one. A lot of comparing. If you like these two, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, 8 tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.